Hello. Today we'll learn about the sources and functions of different vitamins and minerals. Now let's see the chart. First we are going to talk about vitamin A, B, C, D and E. Orange, yellow, green fruits and vegetables, eggs, carrots are the rich sources of vitamin A. Vitamin A keeps our skin healthy and improves eyesight. Eye diseases, that is night blindness, are caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. In this, you cannot see well in dim light or at night. Vitamin B. The rich sources of vitamin B are brown rice, groundnuts, eggs. And these helps the heart and nervous system to work smoothly. Its deficiency causes beriberi, pain, numbness and session in fingers and toes. Vitamin C. Citrus fruits like lime, oranges and tomatoes are rich in vitamin C. It keeps our bones and gums healthy. Its deficiency causes scurvy. It causes dental problem and skin diseases. Vitamin D. Sunlight, milk, eggs and fish are the rich sources of vitamin D. It makes teeth and bones strong. Rickets are caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Vitamin E is present in green vegetables, oil, nuts and seeds that makes teeth and bones strong. Its deficiency can cause some form of cancer. Now let us look at different minerals and their functions and sources. We all know that calcium strengthens gums, bones and teeth. And the rich sources of calcium are milk, cheese, almonds, etc. Fluoride hardens tooth enamel, fights tooth decay. And they are present in tea leaves or fish. Phosphorus improves appetite, helps in growth, and the rich sources of phosphorus are peas, beans, green leafy vegetables. Iron is present in cashew nuts, apples, spinach that helps to build red blood cells. Zinc is good for our eyes, fights infections, helps in healing wounds, and they are present in soy and meat. Now, let's move on toward the assignment. First question is write the sources of the following vitamins. First, vitamin A, second, vitamin B, third, vitamin C, fourth, vitamin D, and fifth, vitamin E. In the second part, you have to answer the functions of all the following vitamins. Again, first is vitamin A, second vitamin B, third vitamin C, fourth vitamin D, and fifth vitamin E. Now, you have to answer these. Pick the correct answer. The options have been given. Choose from it. First, a food with all essential nutrients is called roughage, balanced diet, or minerals. Second, they're also called energy giving foods. Options are carbohydrates, fats, and vitamins. Third part, they repair our worn out cells and tissues. Their options are vitamins, proteins, and minerals. Fourth question, this mineral helps you to strengthen our bones, teeth, and gums. And the options are iron, zinc, and calcium. Fifth, this mineral is found in peas, beans, and leafy vegetables. And the options are phosphorus, fluoride, or zinc. Now let's move on to the complete this statement. First, dash improves appetite and helps in the growth. Second, vitamins and minerals protect us against. Third, excess intake of dash can make us obese. Fourth, dash protects the heart, joints, and brain. And fifth, deficiency of vitamin D causes dash. That's all for today. Thank you.